Hi stars. Welcome to our FastAPI Chronicles series on CodeStar, where we code with the stars. My name is Forster, and I'm here with you. Because you are the star, today, we're diving into the world of FastAPI. If you're new to FastAPI or just curious about what makes it special, you're in the right place. I'm so excited to have you here because together, we will unlock this amazing framework's potential. Let's get started. So, what exactly is FastAPI? FastAPI is a modern, fast, high-performance, web framework for building APIs with Python 3.6+ based on standard Python type hints. It was created by Sebastian Ramirez and is designed to make building APIs easier and more efficient. FastAPI is built on top of two parts. We have the Starlet for the web parts and Pydantic for the data parts. Starlet is a lightweight ASGI framework toolkit for building web applications and services. It runs on ASGI. ASGI, Asynchronous Server Gateway Interface, is a specification for building asynchronous web servers and applications in Python. It's the successor to WSGI, designed to handle asynchronous tasks like WebSockets and long-lived connections. So, in simple terms, FastAPI is like a car and it uses this engine for performing its magic. One of the standout features of FastAPI is its focus on performance. It's one of the fastest frameworks for Python, thanks to its use of asynchronous programming. High performance. FastAPI is incredibly fast and can handle many requests per second. It's built on ASGI, which allows for asynchronous operations. According to the FastAPI documentation, FastAPI can reduce developer-induced error by 40%. Automatic interactive API documentation. With FastAPI, you get interactive API documentation out of the box. It uses Swagger UI and Redoc to create beautiful, interactive documentation for your API. Type hints and data validation. FastAPI uses Python type hints to validate request data and format responses effectively. This makes coding and maintaining APIs easier and less error-prone. Easy to use. The syntax is clean and straightforward, which helps both beginners and experienced developers to get started quickly. These features combine to make FastAPI a powerful tool for developing APIs that are fast, easy to build, and maintainable. You're going to love working with it. You might be wondering, why should you use FastAPI over other frameworks like Flask or Django? Here's a quick comparison. Speed and performance. FastAPI is known for its speed. If you're building high-performance applications, FastAPI might be your best bet. Built-in documentation. Unlike Flask, which requires additional setup for documentation, FastAPI provides automatic interactive documentation. Asynchronous capabilities. Getting started with FastAPI is simple. In our next video, we'll walk you through setting up your development environment and creating your first FastAPI application. But for now, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. That's it for today's introduction to FastAPI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And remember, we'll build an estate property advertisement application together alongside this project, so stay tuned for that. We're going to build a fully functional estate property advertisement application. Now, I know that might sound like just another project at first, but trust me, this is going to be something special. Imagine a platform where real estate professionals, like salespersons, can list their properties, buyers can browse through these listings, make offers, and close deals, all in one place. And don't forget, someone needs to oversee everything to make sure it runs smoothly. Enter the administration. This isn't just a basic listing site, it's a full-fledged application with a robust backend that will challenge you, excite you, and, most importantly, teach you everything you need to know about building powerful APIs with FastAPI. Let's paint a picture of what this application will look like. First, we have our salespersons. These are the stars of the real estate world, the movers and shakers who have properties to sell. As a salesperson, you'll be able to log into our application, create a listing, and showcase your properties to potential buyers. You'll add all the details, photos, descriptions, pricing, location, and more. Think of it as your digital showroom, where you can highlight what makes your property special and attract the right buyers. But here's where it gets really exciting. It's not just about putting up a listing and hoping for the best. Our application will allow salespersons to manage their listings effectively. They can update information, remove properties that have been sold, and, this is the best part, keep track of the offers they receive. Imagine getting real-time notifications when someone is interested in your property, being able to negotiate directly through the platform, and closing the deal without ever leaving the application. That's the kind of efficiency and user experience we're going to build. Now, let's talk about the buyers. These are the people who are on the hunt for their dream property. Whether it's a cozy apartment, a sprawling family home, or a commercial space for their next big venture, our application will make it incredibly easy for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Buyers can browse through listings, filter properties based on their preferences, like price range, location, property type, and dive deep into the details. And here's the kicker. When they find a property they love, they can make an offer directly through the platform. But wait, there's more. To make sure everything runs smoothly, our application will have an admin role. The admin is like the conductor of this orchestra, ensuring that all the different parts of the application work together in harmony. They'll have access to everything, managing user accounts, monitoring listings, handling disputes, and keeping the system updated. This role is crucial for maintaining trust and efficiency on the platform, and will make sure the admin has all the tools they need to keep things running like a well-oiled machine. Let me tell you, stars, this project is going to be an incredible journey. We're not just writing code, we're building a solution that could genuinely be used in the real world. You're going to see how all the pieces of FastAPI fit together to create something powerful and meaningful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and don't forget, you are the star.